Hey guys, it's Michelle with Adventure Mentality and happy May the 4th. In honor of this wonderful day, I have a video showing my experience with getting a Rise of the Resistance boarding pass. I'm going to share some tips and tricks, and then I will also share a little bit of the footage that we got on the ride. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so it is 6:40 on our Hollywood Studios day, and I am going to a spot where I had the best internet last night so that I can try to get a Rise of the Resistance boarding group. So we shall see. Gotta walk all the way down to where the Skyliner entrance was, because that's where I got the best last night. Morning. So I was up at like 6. Had to do some laundry. Heading down this way. Got 2 phones so I can watch the time tick down. So I can refresh at the perfect second. So hopefully it happens. It will happen. It's gonna happen. We're getting Rise of the Resistance today, and it's gonna be amazing. So I'm going out here to where the Skyliner entrance is. Walking along behind Art of Animation. There's Pop Century across the lake. Mom's texting to ask about doing the Rise of the Resistance. So I think I am gonna come over here, back in this little alcove. Should have brought my tripod. I forgot. So I sit down right here and see the Skyliner. I'm gonna ride that today to Hollywood Studios. And yeah, we are gonna have a blasty blast on Rise of the Resistance today. So get back on in a few minutes, check my speed, do the thing, and we'll see what happens. So here's my speed for this morning, which is like triple what it was last night, but I'm assuming that's because there's not as many people. So this is gonna get us some good stuff. There we go. So let's do this. 9 more minutes to go. Counting down the time. Okay, so we're gonna pause right there, and I'm gonna give you a couple tips that I have. As you'll notice, I am not on the Disney Wi-Fi. I am using just the cell service. I do have a Google Pixel 4a 5G, so I do have the 5G capability, which I think helps my chances. I also feel like there is a better chance if you are out away from any interference, buildings, etc. So if you can find a place outside, I think that might be the best option. There are also a couple other tips that I did not do first. You're going to go into settings, storage, manage apps, and then you're going to clean all of the background apps. And that's going to give you some extra space, kind of optimize your speed a little bit, just to make sure your phone is in top working condition so that you have the best chances. Another tip is to make sure you are connected with all of your friends and family who are going to be riding. So you're going to go to the My Disney Experience app. It's going to open up. You're going to go down to the bottom right corner and then go all the way down. And there's a little button where you can click Friends and Family, and that's going to show you all the people that you're connected with. You really
don't need to worry about this too much. You just need to make sure that you're connected with the people that you want to ride the ride with you.
So the anticipation of this rivals any anticipation for any ride. It's pretty crazy how nervous and anxious I start feeling when the time gets closer. Like I will literally start like getting butterflies. It's just funny because you're just like, you have to count down to the perfect second, refresh, and then hope for the best, or just trust in your amazing technology. So it's pretty funny. But yeah, so we have 4 more minutes to go. So I wonder if I do screen record on my phone, if it will slow it down or if it will do nothing. So let's check that out. All right. So that was with the screen recording. 2 minutes. Make sure I have everything closed out. This is intense, y'all. Come back in a second. Okay, so we're at 1 minute in. 1 minute. Open up my My Disney Experience app. And down Star Wars. Join. And then when my time hits 57 seconds, maybe 58 seconds. I'm gonna refresh. My heart is beating so fast right now. Join. Done! Oh my gosh. Group number 6. Oh my gosh. Okay. Check status. Group number 6. I'm shaking. Get that. Like, if you can't see, I'm shaking. Whew. All right, there we go. We are golden. Oh my gosh. That was intense. That was better than last time. Last time I was boarding group 11. This time I'm boarding group 6. Oh my gosh, you guys. Whew. I am still shaking. My hand is shaking. I don't know if the hand's holding the camera, you can see it. But yep, this is it. This is it. Oh my gosh. Whew. All right, we got this. We got this. Today is going to be an amazing day. It's Asher's birthday. We're going to do Rise of the Resistance. We've got Oga's Cantina, which is going to be awesome. We didn't get that one last time. So I am super stoked. Whew. All right. So let's get back to the room and or maybe I should go change my laundry. That's what I should do. I should go switch the laundry to the dryers. All right, so we got it.
So just to recap on those tips, make sure you download a speed test to make sure you are getting the fastest speed, kind of test different areas. Make sure you're connected with all your friends and family. Make sure you're up like 10 minutes before 7 to make sure your phone is working properly. Have a separate phone or computer where you can count down the seconds, because it's really important that you refresh right at that golden point. And after you're in there, don't worry about taking people off that might not be writing. Just click, click, and click. And that is it. All right, guys, so that was my experience with getting a boarding pass. I hope you can use the tips that I gave you and you are successful as well. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And here's some footage that we got from the rest of that day and on the ride. So we'll see you next time.
Happy birthday to you. Is it Star Wars Day? For your birthday? Uh-huh.